Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a dual boiler Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water pump, the one that you see right here, and the three-way solenoid valve, this one right here. And this one was buzzing unfortunately, so whenever that happens it's because they cannot open or close properly, and they just create more problems with the water flow in the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna be using hot water and steam. Help spring fusion, and it should be distraction. As you can see, going to the espresso range perfectly fine. Beautiful water flow coming out of the machine. No buzzing noise or anything like that. As you can see, really good crema coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.